All right, here we are again inside the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien of the AI Success Club. Make sure you hit the subscribe button to make sure you don't miss any of these videos, okay? That's first and foremost. All right, now let's dive in. We have some work to do here to rewrite an email that ChatGPT did for us. So first of all, I asked ChatGPT in the prompt, compose an email that promotes the rollout of my new 6-week wellness group coaching program with the following benefits: improved mood, more energy, a new lease on life, and greater confidence. Now, this is just an example. I don't actually have such a program. I'm a copywriter. So this is just an example. But if you have a program like this, or just any kind of program, make sure that the prompt emphasizes the benefits you want to include here, and how many weeks it might be, or whatever the details are. The more details you include in ChatGPT prompts, the better your output's going to be. Okay, so here's the output that it gave me. It gave me a nice subject line: discover new you with our 6-week wellness group coaching program. Okay, now one thing I didn't include is a title. You may want to put a title in here in the prompt. Okay. But let's, for the sake of this video, what I'm going to do is rewrite this, and this is how you do it. You just take and highlight the entire email and right-click, copy. Then I'm going to go over to Google Docs, and then I'll paste it in here. All right. So here is the email that ChatGPT just wrote for me. Now, hey, I'm sure it's a fine email. It does a pretty good job in the first go around. But my issue is it's not me. Okay, this is not my style. It's not the way I write. This isn't my personality. So what you're going to want to do is inject that in here. All right. I hope this email finds you well. I don't think so. I'm going to take that right out. I hope this email finds you brimming with positive energy. That's pretty good, but again, this isn't really me. So I might actually, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to take this first sentence right out. Okay. I'm thrilled to share with you the opportunity to transform your life through a holistic health and wellness journey that we are embarking on. We don't need to say that we are embarking on, plus it ends in a preposition, which is not good. So, and I'm going to add something here: through a thrilling holistic health and wellness journey. We are excited. I'm going to change that. Introducing my new 6-week wellness group coaching program. And then you're going to give it a title. All right. I didn't give ChatGPT a title, so it didn't give me one back. Right. Now let's see, what else can we do here to make it your own? We could actually bold some of these things: improved mood, more energy, things like that. So you're going to bold all these. And actually, what I would do is make some of these a little shorter. So take out anything in here that you feel is a little superfluous, a little over the top. And here's another thing. This paragraph is too long. All right. So you're going to want to shorten this up, maybe make this part another paragraph, a second one. And again, here, this is a little too long, so I'm going to have that be a little farther. Again, this is a very generic email, so you're going to want to make it your own by maybe adding a story or a testimonial, anything like that that will make this something that you can really be proud of. But here's the important thing. This is a good starting point, okay? What you're going to do as you're writing this email that ChatGPT generated for you in one try, you can either cut and paste like I just did, or you could have it write it again. Try it again with elements of your own style. Have it inject some humor or some type of persuasive language or some more emotional elements. Talk about the different struggles that your target audience is facing. There's all kinds of things. I just did a starting point just so I could show you how I rewrite it. But in future videos, I'm going to be getting into prompting, where we do a deep dive into showing you how ChatGPT can really bring out the emotions of your target audience. So until next time, that's just some food for thought about how to rewrite a ChatGPT generated email.